Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Phantom and Vandal. Both the Phantom and Vandal are primary assault rifles, costing 2,900 credits. The Phantom holds 30 rounds and fires quickly, while the Vandal has 25 rounds and perfect first-shot accuracy. Understanding these core differences is crucial for effective gameplay. We'll dive into their unique strengths and ideal scenarios for each weapon. The Phantom shines in close to medium-range combat. Its suppressed firing makes it harder for enemies to pinpoint your location, offering a tactical advantage. With a faster fire rate, it's more forgiving for spray transfers and aggressive pushes. However, remember that headshots beyond 15 meters deal 140 damage, meaning you'll need 2 shots to secure a kill. The Vandal is your go-to for long-range engagements. Its perfect first-shot accuracy and consistent 160 damage headshots at any distance make it a formidable weapon for precise players. While its fire rate is slower, demanding more controlled bursts, mastering its recoil pattern allows for incredible long-distance eliminations. Focus on accuracy to maximize its potential. Deciding between the Phantom and Vandal often comes down to your playstyle and the map. Opt for the Phantom when you're pushing aggressively or holding close angles, leveraging its suppression and higher fire rate. Choose the Vandal for holding long sightlines and engaging in precise aim duels, capitalizing on its one-shot headshot capability. Practice with both to become a versatile player.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.